Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I got a brand new radio for you, AM, FM, shortwave. It's called an Audiocrazy. Yep, I think that's how you pronounce it, Audiocrazy. Here's the manual for it. Pretty good size manual, it's physical size, but there's not much information in here, but you don't need much. Pretty straightforward. Let's see, it's about 7 inches by about 4.5 by about 2.5 inches deep. It runs on AC. It comes with an AC cord that plugs in, or you can run it on two D-cell batteries. Or if we look over here, you can also run it on a 3-volt adapter. Here's the earbud jack. It does not come with headphones or earbuds. Here's an input, auxiliary input, so you can use this as an amplified speaker. This is the band select, FM, AM, SW1, SW2. Now we're finally in focus. Here's the dial. On the top is FM, and then either medium wave or AM, whatever you want to call it. Then two shortwave bands from 3 megahertz. Let me see if I can scoot. 3 megahertz to 23 megahertz. It's got a short antenna, telescopic antenna. It's only about, let's see, let me get my tape now that I finally found my tape. It's about 21 inches. So it's not going to do too good on shortwave right now because shortwave conditions are not very good. Here's a little carrying handle. It's got a fairly good sized speaker, and then looking through the grill, I can see what looks like a small speaker there, and there looks like a port to give you a little more bass. I think that's what that is. Let me put the antenna down for a second. On the back is the area to put in the two D-cell batteries. I've already showed you the connectors on the side. There's the AC cable. On-off volume tuning. So let's try it out here. Let me put it on FM, begin with. I'll extend the telescopic antenna, and then we'll turn it on. Middle off. There we go. Gotta get off music. Kind of touchy tuning.
It lands on the Mertz's
Plenty of volume.
awning. Is like really bandaged and can barely move. Yeah.
Picks up a lot of stations. Again, this is FM. Yeah. Didn't have any problem picking up FM. Only halfway through the band.
98 right.
Can I stay off of that music? Okay, let's go to medium wave or AM. Getting some interference from my electronics.
Down in New Orleans on Fat Tuesday.
Strong station there. Little touchy tuning. Kind of a small tuning knob.
Of the state, unable to vote because fired. Now, just because the Giants finally came to
It locks in though.
Who I actually like now that I've seen him a couple times. I think my mom loves him too.
Okay, we'll
A
try
lot of smart people.
shortwave. It's a little after 2 o'clock in the afternoon, so we're not going to get much on. I probably won't get anything on shortwave. this time of day, plus the shortwave propagation is not very good right now. It did increase a little bit. Tuning really fast. I think let's see, I'm on shortwave 2. So that's the upper band. Come on, focus. All right, don't focus. Give me a hard time. So we're, I think, 13 to 23 megahertz. Nothing there. Let's go to shortwave 1. Possibly get something there. No, we got too many things against us. Number one, the propagation is no good. Number two, I'm in my office with all kinds of interference from routers and modems and stuff like that. And it's a bad time of the day. So I didn't expect to get anything on shortwave. The antenna, like I say, was like 21 inches. That is way too short for a shortwave listing, so you're going to have to do a clip-on antenna. It does not have an external antenna jack, but it does do very good on FM, AM. Not too good on shortwave because of all those problems. I think that's about it. You can get this on sale. Prices vary a lot. I grabbed it about a week ago when it was down to $14.95. I think it's back up to like $27.95, so you just kind of have to catch it. I like it enough that I will put it in my Amazon store, but again, always watch for things to be on sale. I think that's about it. Oh, it comes in black also. I like the white better. It shows up better for me. That's it. If you enjoyed my show, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, we're getting there, almost 15,000. And have a great day. Bye-bye.